Everybody, welcome back to another video here on the channel, and for today's video we are back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about the stock of Tesla. Now guys, it's been a while since my last video that I've actually done on here. Most of my videos that I've been uploading have been TikToks and just other YouTube short videos, so there really hasn't been a lot of new content on here. But for today's video, we got to talk about two things. One thing is I hit finally 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I should say we hit 1,000 subscribers, because without you guys, I would not be here right now. So I know 1,000 subscribers is not anything, and I'll look at this in another couple of years from now and be like, wow, this is nothing compared to where I will be in the future. At least that's where my plan is. But 1,000 subscribers is a huge milestone for me. This is something I've been working towards, and it's been just about a year now, a little bit less than a year that we've taken. Now, I haven't been putting all my efforts into YouTube. A lot of it has been through my other social medias and trying to understand stock trading, stock investing, and everything else on my own. But for the time being, right now, we've done a lot of growth here on YouTube and with my TikTok. Again, all my social medias will be down the links in the description. But guys, thank you again so much for all the support on all my videos. If you've ever watched any of my videos, liked, commented, done anything, any type of interaction with my videos, I appreciate you very, very much, and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. We're going to make bigger milestones, and we're going to hit those, and we're going to keep moving forward. Like I said, starting in January 2022, everything is going to be revamped, and Lock Finance will continue to grow, and I'm going to be back to grinding, posting videos, posting TikToks, going live all the time. So I just wanted to get that out of the way and say thank you, because I do appreciate all the support, and we're looking to move forward and grow from here. Now, on to Tesla, because obviously if 1,000 subscriber video, we got to talk about one of, if not my favorite stocks I'm holding right now, which is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla, over the past year, this is a chart of it. Now I know you see a bunch of red lines and you're wondering, whoa, what is this? Well, these are just lines that I've drawn over the past few months for when Tesla was taking a nosedive and basically stabling out in these areas. So you can ignore these lines if you want, but I'm just going to leave them here because there were certain support and resistance areas of where the stock was trading and kind of gave us that direction. If you remember some of my older videos, you remember these lines. Anyway, so back in early 2020, or the end of 2020 into early 2021, we had a huge bull run with Tesla. The stock ran from $400 all the way up to $900. Now it tipped at $900, and from there stabled out for a little while until completely nosediving all the way down, in only a few weeks hitting lows to $550, a 40% drop almost. The stock then tried to bounce and then fell again, yet to new lows around $550 again. The stock continued to stable out throughout most of June and into July, but then we started to pick things up towards the end into August and into September. Now, the big bull run we're in right now started, I would say, towards the end of September, early October, and it's taken off. This stock has been on a rampage. The past 2 to 3 weeks, this stock has grown from $800, which it broke through this huge resistance. See this red line right here? Huge resistance at $800. Broke through, and this stock rallied from $800 now to hitting highs at $1,243. This stock is insane. The company is insane. But where is the stock headed further from here? Because the fact that Elon just tweeted over this weekend that he is looking to potentially sell 10% of his stake in Tesla. Now, he's leaving it up to his Twitter followers to decide whether or not he wants to sell this amount of shares. Now, this is a huge amount of shares for him, okay? This is a lot of money that he has with these Tesla shares. He's trying to make these unrealized gains. Realized gains, he'll have to put tax on them, yada, yada, yada. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on without it. I personally see Tesla stock doing this, and this is what I believe happening. Right now, we're at a huge bull run, and last time we had a huge bull run, I mean, the stock did stable out for a little while, and then it dropped. Obviously, like any stock, it's going to have a bull run, it's going to have a bearish run. And after a huge surge like this, I see it stabling out. Now, when? I don't know. But I do see it eventually stabling out, and then we will have a pullback. Honestly, I'm interested to see what's going to happen tomorrow. So right now it looks like he will sell 10% of his shares. If he does, then that's going to cause a huge drop at market open. But I think that's going to give us a big buying opportunity, and a lot of people see that as a buying opportunity, and it's going to surge throughout the rest of the day as long as the market can hold up. Obviously, if we're seeing a red market, because right now we're very hot, if the market looks a little weak tomorrow and throughout the rest of this week, we could see a big pullback from Tesla. but I'm looking positively with the market right now. If the market's still going to continue to move up, I see that Tesla has a big drop at open. A lot of buyers in the short term and a lot of buyers in the long term are going to pick up on the dip, and then it will surge to the upside and will continue higher. I think that we have more room to run before we start to stable out. That's just my personal opinion, but I do think this run is getting very overextended. It's very, very hot in the RSI, and I think that we could see a pullback within the next couple weeks for sure. But this is what I have for Tesla going forward. Tomorrow, let's watch for a dip at open. If market is green, Tesla turns around and surges to new highs. If it's red, I think Tesla pulls back to $1,100. And I think that we see a pullback. $1,000 is going to be a big testing area. Obviously, our next support would be that $900 area. But I think $1,000 and even $1,100 were two big major areas we broke through. As you can see here by the big candlesticks, broke through 1,000 and then broke through 1,100 to 1,200. So obviously, there's a lot to look forward to. But that's what I got with Tesla. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. Just kind of recapping. Thank you again for the 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you, for sticking around here at Lock Finance. And also, thank you guys again for all the support on all my social medias. This is what I think about Tesla. This is what we have moving forward. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and information yourself. Guys, drop it down below. What do you think is going to happen with Tesla? Are you investing in Tesla? Are you waiting for a dip? What do you think is going to happen with Tesla throughout the rest of this week? Guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.